How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is one, a nickel is five, a dime is 10, and a quarter is 25. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is one, a nickel is five, a dime is 10, and a quarter is 25.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I thought that song was fun, and thanks to Miss Holly Racer for creating that song for our little intro. And we have learned about what the penny's worth, 1 cent. We have learned about what the nickel is worth, 5 cents. And we have learned about dimes, 10 cents. All right, you show me on your work that you are learning that. And the new coin that we are going to be talking about today is the quarter. And one cool thing about the quarter is it's worth 25 cents. Not only is the quarter the largest coin amongst the pennies, nickels, and dimes, but it also has the most value, 25 cents. And I have a song that's going to help you remember this, because you might be wondering, Mrs. Bastian, how I'm going to remember all of these things. Well, this song I think will help you. It's helped me for many years. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. And you could just keep singing it and singing it and singing it. And don't worry, it won't bother your parents at all. And it won't bother your older siblings at all. Just keep singing it. Ready? 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. Now, something I want you to remember, boys and girls, when you are working with money is you always want to use the largest coins first when you're sorting them and getting ready to count them out. So now that we have quarters and they're worth 25 cents, we are going to put the quarters first. Whenever you have a quarter, you're going to put quarters first, and we're going to count those first. What would be the next largest coin that we would need to put? We would need to then put in our dimes if we have any. And then if we had any nickels, we would have to include those. And last but not least, we would have to put in the pennies if we had pennies in our coins, because they are only worth 1 cent. So you go from the largest coin to the least largest coin. All right, so if you were going to add up what you see right here, you would start with your quarter, and it would be 25 cents. And if we sing our little song and we have 2 quarters, 25, 50, okay, we're at 50, and then we're going to add 10 cents on because we have our dime next. So we're at 50 and add 10 cents more. 60, we have another dime, so we had to have another 10, which would make it 70. And now we have a nickel, which we only can add 5 more onto it, which would make it 75. And then one more nickel would lead us to 80 cents, which would be the total value of coins that we have right here, 80 cents. Okay, so let's go ahead and add up the coins that we have right here. We're going to sing our song again. Ready? Go. 25, 50, 75. Oh, can I say a dollar? No, because I have a dime. Well, we stopped at 75. If we added 10 more cents onto 75, what would we have? We would have 85. And then, we know what these copper coins are. There are pennies, which we only need to add 1 cent more. So we have 85, count on, 86, 87, 88. So the total would be 88 cents. So if you have 5 pennies, do you know which coin you could exchange it for? If you could only exchange it for 1 coin, what coin could you use to exchange for 5 pennies? Yes, you are correct. That would be the nickel. If you had 2 nickels and they are 5 cents each, we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. Which coin could you use to trade it out with? That is correct. It's a dime. Good job. Now the quarter is pretty cool because there's lots of different variations. You can have other coins that add up to 25 cents. For example, you could have 2 dimes plus a nickel, 10, 20, 25. You could have a dime, 2 nickels, and 5 pennies. Let's count it. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. And then you could even have the combination of 4 nickels. So you could have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There's lots of different variations for the quarter, and you can have fun counting all of them. Let's quickly go ahead and count on with these coins to find the value. We can see that all of these coins are the same size, and it is the new coin that we learned about today. So let's sing the song. 25, 50, 75, $1. And that is what you are going to write underneath each coin. 25, 50, 75, $1. Now, Mrs. Bastion is saying $1, but it's actually 100 cents. So, but in my song, it's $1. So you can still sing $1 because once you get to 100 cents, it becomes $1. Awesome, right? Okay, so we would have 100, we'll just go ahead and put 100 cents because we're still talking about cents. Okay, and then let's go on to number 5. We see that we are going to start with our biggest coin, which is our 25 cents. 25, and then we go down to our dimes. Our dimes are the next biggest. We have to add 10 cents on, which would make it what? Add 10 cents more onto 25. 35, oh, keep going. 45, 55, we have a bunch of dimes, 65, so that would be 65 cents. We are always going to make sure that we finish with using our cents sign. Okay, what do we have here? We have a quarter. Looks like we have 2 quarters and 4 nickels. Okay, so let's go ahead and count that on. 25, 50, let's count by 5s. 55, whoops, sorry. 60, 65, 70. I have no idea how that got there, but just didn't ignore it. 70 cents. Okay, and then we have a quarter down here as well, you can see. Okay, we have a quarter. We have 2 nickels and 3 pennies. We have no dimes, so we're not going to count by 10. Here we go, count on. 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. We have 38 cents. All right. Now, down here it says, Ed's coin has the same value as a group of 5 pennies and 4 nickels. What is his coins? All right, so he has 4 nickels. We're going to start with our biggest ones. We're going to put 4 nickels. And what are we going to put inside our nickels? We're going to put 5s because we know that nickels are worth 5. And then he had 4 or 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to put a 1 inside each one of these, and then we're going to count it up. Let's count it up. Count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and has, whoa, that is a mess, 25 cents. All right, boys and girls, that is amazing. We have this box that says nickel, quarter, dime, and penny, and we are going to decide what word belongs with the question. And this first question on 9 says, I have the same value as 5 pennies. What would I be? What coin am I? Which coin am I? The nickel, because we know that the nickel is worth 5 cents. Number 10, I have the same value as 25 pennies. If we lined up 25 pennies, it'd be the same value as our quarter, because we know that a quarter is worth 25 cents. Let's try this one. Number 11. I have the same value as 2 nickels. We know that 5 plus 5 equals, yes, ladies and gentlemen, that would be your dime, because we know that a dime has the value of 10 cents. And I have the same value as a group of 5 nickels. What coin am I? The same value as a group of 5 nickels. Let's count by 5 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What would it be? It would be the quarter. Very good. All right, Tom gives these coins to his brother. Circle the value of the coins to complete the sentence. Tom gives his brother. Let's see how many coins he gave his brother. We have 2 quarters, so let's count it. 25, 50, and then we have 3 nickels. Let's count on by 5s. 55, 60, 65. And the total that he gave his brother, what a kind brother, 65 cents. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed learning about the quarter today and adding it on to all the things that you know about money so far. And don't forget your song. 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. We'll see you next time, ladies and gentlemen.